XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about gold against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. So you can join the free Telegram channel and you can get some free signals in Telegram if you're there. And then check out the pro firm and the brokers right here. Sign up with these brokers to start a new broker account because I want you to trade with my signals in a separate broker account. Okay, don't mix it up. Sign up with these brokers and then trade with my signals in the future. Don't mix into your existing account because I will ask you how many trades did you win from my signals. So it has to be all the data has to be separate in your other separate broker account. Okay, so do all that. Subscribe, like, it's all free. Coming back to the chart here, gold against dollar. Now, if you're a gold digger, I'm giving you free trade right now. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly is with the trend is up, but it's very up. Okay, so you can see we are in the strong uptrend, created a new high, then pull back, and we are going high probably this week again. Time will tell. So weekly, you don't have any signal. You only get the confirmation that weekly we are in the uptrend. That's all. Okay. Coming back to daily. In daily, let me see what do we have. So this is your chart in daily. I can clearly see with my own eyes tomorrow in next 24 hours, gold is going up. Okay, just take my word for it. In next 24 hours, gold is going up. Only look for longs. Now, some people might be saying, they might think, everybody, I can also think that I also thought about this, that this could be a new downtrend and this could be a pullback and we can go down. Anybody can see that. Okay, so start of a new downtrend. Then this high did not break this high. So this merely can be a pullback and then we can continue going down. Okay, that could happen, but not in next 24 hours. Tomorrow we are going up. I have the clear confirmation in daily chart. I am not going to tell you my reasons. I will not tell you for everything for free. Okay, people don't appreciate free knowledge. So let's not even tell them anything. Whatever you're getting from me for now, it's way too much. Even right now telling you that tomorrow gold is going to go up, that is too much. Okay, so people don't do this for free. So in my daily chart, I clearly have the signal gold going up. Okay, I don't even have to look into the 4-hour. Personally, I know gold is going up tomorrow in next 24 hours. But for you people, I will go to 4-hour to see we have some confirmation or not. Okay, clearly we broke this high. So this candle broke the previous high. So start of a new uptrend, then a pullback. Quite simple, very sexy pullback, 50%. Okay, I think it's 60% pullback or maybe 50%. So uptrend pullback. Now wait for the blue candle to eat this candle or break this high. That's it. Okay, if you want super more confirmation, then wait for this high to break by the blue candle, or else as soon this red candle is eaten by the blue candle, enter long. That's your entry. Okay, but as I said, I don't even look into 4-hour if I get the signal in daily, and in this case I have the signal in daily. I will not tell you what I'm seeing. It's just that in daily we're going to go up, and in 4-hour I have shown you that you can enter buy after the blue candle comes and eats the previous red candle. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, and start appreciating what you get for free. Nobody else does, nobody else does this for you for free. Okay, people will ask you to buy some couple of $1,000 course first, and they're not wrong. I'm a fucking idiot who is doing this for free. Okay, it's my fault I'm doing this for free. It's not their fault if they do it paid. This is supposed to be paid and should cost you thousands of dollars. So just enjoy what you get for free for now. Subscribe, like, join Telegram, and sign with the brokers. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.